Sorry children, I'm continuing with the video. I don't know how the video is being stopped and I'm continuing this. Scientific and technological advancement, quantity and quality of labor, speedy transportation facilities, ready markets, availability of raw materials, government policies, political stability, etc. are the factors that influence the industrial development of a nation. For example, dense forest areas, mountainous areas, desert regions have extreme psychological, physiogeographical features. Transport facilities are found to be limited in such regions, therefore, industrial development is found to be limited. For example, agriculture is developed on large scale in the fertile plains and the regions of moderate rainfall. Agriculture provides raw material to many industries, therefore, industrial development is found to be high in such regions. Understand how the factors affect the industrial development. Second, state the advantages of Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. The advantages of Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, in short MIDC, are as follows. State government of Maharashtra established Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation on 1st August 1962. Through MIDC, government has set up industries in all districts of Maharashtra. MIDC supports the industrial growth and decentralization of industries. Government gives concessional rates to the estates, industries for electricity, water and taxes. Industries are also provided a piece of land at concessional rate by the government. MIDC has been playing an important role in generating employment opportunities in all the 36 districts of Maharashtra. So we can say that MIDC is playing an important indirect role in increasing the per capita income and standard living of people in Maharashtra. Explain the importance of IT industry. IT means information and technology industry. So, information and technology industry included various components like searching for technical information, obtaining information, analyzing information, compiling information, graphic presentation of information, and providing information. Information technology industry provide various types of information through internet, on computers, mobiles and other devices. This industry provides information at comparatively less cost, time and efforts. The obtained information can be used for personal, economic, social, cultural, etc. development. India has made a rapid progress in this industry. Now, question number 4. Considering India's population, the development of industry is a good solution to the problems of unemployment. Explain. According to Census 2011, the population of India was nearly 121 crores. In India, majority of people are engaged in agriculture. In India, agriculture is seasonal in nature. Therefore, the unemployment rate is found to be high in India. Therefore, it is essential to develop industries in India. By developing small industries, unemployed people will get employment opportunity. Small industries will help in providing job to less skilled, less educated people also. By developing medium and large scale industries in rural areas, the process of urbanization can be boosted in village. It will also restrict migration of people from villages to towns and cities. Employment level in a nation can be raised by developing industries. Thus, considering India's population, the development of industry is a good solution to the problem of unemployment. So, here we have completed all the 4 questions we have discussed. Now, prepare the flow chart. Flow chart you have to prepare, and that is of journey of cloth. Journey of cloth you have to do. So, we will see how we will be doing this. See,